Hello friends, using WordPress we can create professional websites in no time. We just need to select a perfect WordPress theme. In this video we are going to create a website for cleaning services. Yes, this is going to be a business special website, cleaning services, and the theme that we are going to use and overview in this video is called Clinara, and it is of course a dedicated theme for cleaning services. This theme Clinara has been developed by Case Themes and they are Power Elite author at themeforest.net. So it is sure that we are going to get the very good quality of code and a full featured website. So this theme presents 8 pre-built stunning home pages. You can check all the details through the video description link. You can buy the theme through the link given in the video description. But yes, you need to watch the complete video because without understanding the theme and its feature, you should not choose this theme or any other theme. At this channel, WP Themes, I am bringing all good, well selected, well tested themes and other resources for WordPress website. Like particularly if you are targeting a cleaning services website, I feel this is a perfect choice, and the theme itself offers multiple pre-made websites. So you have multiple choices. But yes, we are going to overview the complete things in this video, and let us start with the installation. So Clinara is the target theme that we are going to use, and we will make a demo website using the Clinara WordPress theme. Right. So for making create a website using WordPress, we need a fresh and core installation of WordPress. Of course, it it is to be installed on a hosting plan that you need to have with a domain name. All you can get at WP Themes website. Just follow the video description link. I am assuming you have taken the domain name and you have installed the WordPress core. And with this default and core installation of WordPress, it is 2025 WordPress theme where I am going to install the Clinara WordPress theme. Okay, so uh, it is going to be super easy and fast, but yes, we need to follow the exact steps. So these are the pre-made layouts you can explore, and let us proceed towards installation. So the theme is available at the theme forest just for $39, and in this $39 you'll get the quality checked by Envato itself, the theme pack itself, of course, the future updates for this theme, and 6 months support from the Case Theme, who are the original developer of this theme. Okay, so in the theme pack, what I got? In the theme pack, I have theme installed. This is the installable theme file, which is just 5 MB inside, which is an indication of well-optimized WordPress theme. And some plugins like case add-ons and revolution slider have been provided. The licensing part is also here. We are going to use this installable theme file. To install the theme, we have to follow the simple steps, and on a core installation of WordPress, fresh installation, you simply add the theme using the theme upload option. Choose the installable theme file here, theme install, and we need to select this clinara.zip. Don't try to upload the complete folder. It would be a very common mistake and it will not work inside. So the clinara.zip file is only the installable file that we need to select here, and theme got installed successfully within few seconds since it is a very optimized theme. So you can go to the theme page just to check the details further. And this is Clinara here with the default theme, and if we are checking the details, this is a very first version of this theme. So this is a new theme as I assume, and I can see the latest release was done on 23rd of August, just 2 months back, and very less number of sales as of now. But yes, we can get a wonderful website using this theme. Okay, to proceed with the installation, we have to activate the theme here, and upon activation, we have this setup wizard. So we can simply go with this setup wizard. Simply click on start, and you have to activate the theme with your registration and keys, and we can go for installing the plugins, and we can check which plugins are here, which plugins have been provided with the theme pack. So case add-ons is a special plugin that has been provided by the theme developer, which is a required plugin. Contact Form 7 as well MailChimp for email subscription feature. Redux is a framework that has been used multi-step contact form just to enhance the capacity of contact form. WP Smart wishlist for WooCommerce. So this is also an e-commerce website. And the classic editor Elementor is the page builder, and you can see all these. So WooCommerce is well supported and being installed. So we can simply install all these listed plugins, required and recommended one, by a single click. So I just click on install, and I can see green mark is evolving here. So we need to wait until we see all the green marks, all blue marks turn into green. I mean, all the plugins has been installed. So just wait a while. Okay, great. So all plugins uh, have been installed successfully without any error or trouble. The last one is going, in fact, WPC Smart Wishlist. Okay, so we are on the next page and all the plugins have been installed. On the next step, of course, we are proceeding to import the demo content, and this is only option we can select here. So I must tell you, the Clinara WordPress theme offers the pre-made layouts in single page or multi-page layout. So this is a very big advantage with this theme. So if you have very limited content, you can go with the single page website, which also represents all the necessary things, and you can also opt to have multi-page. So 4 layouts in form of pre-made layouts and available in single or multi-page options. Now, we can simply click on the import demo, and here the demo content import process is started, and further we need to wait a while because it is connected to developer server and it is bringing all the necessary thing at our installation. So on this next screen, we can simply choose what we actually want to import, but by default all is selected. Considering it a very fresh installation, it is already selected. So okay, so by default all necessary thing is selected, so we can simply click on import demo, and you can see the progress bar here. It reached to 20% in a second. So the progress bar will indicate us how much time it is actually going to take. It may take up to 4-5 minutes depending upon your internet speed, the server capacity, and also dependent factors. But yes, you have to show your patience on this screen. So demo import process is going on, and the screen is showing what is being imported, in fact. So media file always takes times in demo import process, like media file user clean has been added. So all the media files has been named, and we can see what is being imported. So it is still on 20% after a minute. For my installation, I am waiting with my due patience and eagerly waiting for the new and perfect website using this theme. Meanwhile, we can explore the layouts that we may target with this theme. So I liked this one very much, and it has all the internal pages like this. I have opened the one page version, and if I check the multi-page version for the same, it is here, and yes, it is good. So the pages like about us had been already provided, so we don't need to create internal pages. All the internal pages are also here, like services, service 1 option, service 2 option is here. So this is going to give us a complete website. We just need to add our content, our services, and it will be fine to launch. Okay, and we have other layouts, of course. And I must tell you about the iCreate program if you are new to this channel. So this is a very interactive program where you can ask any question related to WordPress website. A mentor is going to help you in all aspects regarding your website. You can take supports, you can discuss things for making a successful and professional websites. And yes, so when you are buying the theme through the video description link on themeforest.made, uh, and for this theme, the cost is $39. So you are going to get a free entry, free joining to iCreate program, and a mentor will join you to complete your website with you. And just in case if you need a complete website from the experts of WordPress, so you can request here to get a complete website, and you definitely get a website. Yes, so complete website is of course chargeable, but yes, you'll get all the things at a very nominal price. So don't wait and just onboard on the program by buying the theme through the link. And yes, you'll get all the facilities, all the add-ons things, just in case if you need, so with the help of mentors. So it is a good idea to start with the premium and professional theme that you can only get at themeforest.net, and the links has been given in the video description, and you have choices to choose and compare other themes. There are hundreds of themes on this channel, so choose the best one that you feel that is going to help you in making a professional website and that is very close to your requirement. Yes, and it is important to choose a perfect theme, and you can explore hundreds of themes and plugins on this channel itself. So don't miss. Watch other videos as well, and let us check the demo import process where it is. Okay, so it is okay. So it is here, and you are ready, and your theme has been all set up. Enjoy your new theme by Case Themes. And some extras I can see: help center, get theme support, theme options. Yes, we will explore all these options, but let us check our new website first. And uh, you can go to the dashboard from here, theme options, and I'm going to refresh this page. Earlier it was like this with the default theme, and now I have this new website. So some images might be missing, but home 2 I can check here, and uh, the elements are here. We just need to proceed for customization and all. Let us go to the dashboard and we will check what we got in this installation. Okay, so number of pages. First of all, I got the 32 published pages here, and home 1, front page, home 2. So we can check the home 2, uh, which I like much. Just in case if you interacted with this screen, I mean the rotating spinner here, and it means you need to set your permalink structure. That you can do in the permalink structure settings and the settings tab. Just select the post name, which is already selected. Just hit on the save changes. This will create a new htaccess file, and the issue will be resolved automatically. So you don't need to worry about this. Yeah. So this is version 2, home 2, and it is here. So yes, so it is okay. We just need to put our own content and we can proceed for launching our website. Now I'll show you all the options that is available for customization. So this is Clinara dashboard, and here we have installed plugin demo import option that we have already used, and some information like thing, system status and all. Further we have installed plugin options, import demo and theme options. So install plugins gives us some control on the plugins that we can activate or deactivate directly from here. Main is the theme option through which you can customize your website. So this is very simple and clean. So you can control the colors, favicons, mouse overs, the loader spinners, the cookie policy, subscribe to options, smooth scroll, the header options, and the mobile option, what you want to show on the mobile, page title, footer options, blog, projects, services, all simple things. So you can simply explore all these things what you want to set for your website. Next is the post, which is also very common. Portfolio items you have to handle from this area that is visible on the website. So it is very important to delete all those contents that you are not using at the website, and it is a good idea to overwrite all the existing contents. Like when you are editing the portfolio, put your portfolio items here by renaming or overwriting the details here. You can follow the pattern what had been used. Next, I can see the portfolio. Okay. The WP Cleaver is just for adding certain features on the WooCommerce area. So if you are using this themes, this website for e-commerce activities, you can enable and disable the things, and it has essential kit and the smart compare options and all. So what have been used for your website. Further, you can add new plugins here from this screen if you want to add certain feature at your website, right? Okay, so the next things are very simple. So avatars here and the appearance and the customize options. So it is very simple, and I believe you will be able to handle all these things. For editing the content, you just need to open the page that you want to edit, like homepage if you want to edit, and edit the content using the Elementor Page Builder. It is a very simple and easy to use, and you can go with the Elementor Page Builder to customize your content. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, what had been used in the demo. Text will be fine. So all the content will be available in the left sidebar to handle. Then you can simply change the content and whatever is necessary, you can simply handle here. And just in case if you have any question, simply write in the comment section of this video or directly have a chat with a mentor here who can help you on the real time basis. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your wonderful and professional website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.